What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to tell you why I have ended my relationship with Blender Bottle. I'll be right back. Yep, it's true. Just like I just said, I have ended my relationship with Blender Bottle, and what that means is I have decided I'm not buying any more of these because through the years I have bought several of these, and what has happened is they have started to crack, or they have been cracking like around the seams. So I have tried everything from gluing it with super glue to see if that would stop it from happening, to just a bunch of different things to make sure it didn't happen, because what I realized is when I go and try to order just the top was just as much as the whole bottle. So I ended up just buying the whole bottle just for it to happen again. Now I understand I'm a big strong guy, and so maybe just tighten it up, did it, and for me I didn't think that I was tightening up that tight to where it deserved to crack right here. So what I did is I went out and I bought one of these. This is a Contigo bottle, and I bought this at Walmart. I think it was probably like $5 maybe, and I have been enjoying this thing because I can tighten it up and I don't have to worry about it cracking on me. So there's a few differences. One is that it comes with this plastic ball, and what happens is when I start shaking up my pre-workout or my amino energies or my protein shakes or something like that, then you can definitely tell that I'm mixing something up because it makes a lot of noise. Whereas shaker bottle, well, that made a lot of noise too, but of course it's empty. One thing that I did like is I did like how Blender Bottle, I just said shaker bottle, I meant Blender Bottle. How Blender Bottle did have this in it. I do like these, and I'm assuming that they have these kind of maybe trademarked or copy. They have a patent on them or something like that. But those were good. But again, these things were cracking on me. Now I don't get paid from either one of these, so I'm not endorsing that because there's no conflict of interest for me. I'm just a user, just like probably you guys are, and I have switched to this bottle because it is tough. I need a tough bottle, and I just don't like the fact that I have to keep buying them over and over again. So I don't know if you felt the same way, but I wanted to make this video just to let you know that I have switched to Contigo bottles. I like them, and Contigo, if you want to bring me on board to be a representative, like, you know, to sponsor or whatever, hey, I'm open for it because I like your bottles. But anyways, shaker bottle, we're done. You may see me still use this one. I think my wife uses this bottle still. So you may still see me demonstrate some protein powders from using this bottle, things like that. That's because this one is probably being used at the time, and you know, I don't know. But this is my favorite one. I like it. I have a few of them, and I broke up with shaker bottle or Blender Bottle or whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's called anymore because we're done. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. This is just a little something, you know, from my brain of B-Rob. But thanks for bearing with me. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.